The Nike Air Max 97 Silver Bullet is not only the most iconic colorway of the Air Max 97, it's one of the most classic Nike sneakers, period. And this year, to mark the 25th anniversary of the shoe, we got ourselves another retro. My name is Josh and I will be reviewing the Nike Air Max 97 Silver Bullet. So the last time we saw the shoe was 2017 in order to mark the 20th anniversary of the shoe. And now just 5 years later, we get ourselves another retro. Some of you might think that is a bit soon for another release, but I do think there is enough demand and the shoe is just so popular that it does kind of justify it. This time around, it released for a retail price of $180 or 180 euros, which is $10 higher than the previous retail price in 2017. And Nike did something pretty interesting with the release here in Europe. These shoes released first in Italy only, which I thought was really interesting because this shoe has a very special connection to Italy. They even have a name for it. It's called Le Silver. So all the Italian stores got them a week early and then it released on the sneakers app on November the 11th. The Silver Bullet colorway was actually the OG colorway of the Air Max 97. The shoe definitely made some noise when it first released back in, you guessed it, 1997, because it was the first model from Nike to feature a full-length air bubble midsole and this very iconic wavy design that you see on the upper. It was inspired by the ripples you see in a pond when water droplets fall into it, and the colorway itself was actually inspired by the Japanese bullet trains. That's where the name Silver Bullet comes from. This 2022 pair, however, is slightly different than the pair we saw 5 years ago. The shape itself seems to be a bit different, so the shape looks a bit chunkier on this version, but the most noticeable difference you see is right here. You see this extra bit of stitching on the upper. Nike says that they did that to match the OG version more closely, but based on some of the feedback and comments I read online, a lot of people don't seem to be feeling that stitch right there. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think? The sneaker is a lot more lightweight than it looks. That is because the upper is mainly made out of mesh, and then you got these leather silver overlays. One of the absolute coolest features about the shoe is just the amount of 3M on the shoe. You can really see it in the nighttime when the light reflects off of it. I actually don't think there's another sneaker out there that 3M looks better on. That wavy looking 3M just really pops. And the midsole, all that air you see there, it does help make the shoe very comfortable. On feet, these feel great. You can definitely wear these all day. And when it comes to sizing, I did get this in a US 11 and for me, it fits perfect. I would say I have slightly wide feet, not exactly wide feet, so I think I'm okay going true to size, and most people I think would be fine going true to size. If you do have wide feet, I would maybe suggest going up half a size because the midfoot area can feel quite narrow. Overall, these are a great pair and they're available pretty much everywhere right now. You can just Google this shoe and you'll find plenty of retailers have them in stock. I wouldn't wait too long because this is very popular. They're definitely gonna sell out. And in case you didn't want the silver colorway, it seems like in 2023, we'll be seeing the retro of the gold version as well. Classic Nike model, happy to see these return. Let me know down in the comments, what are your thoughts on the Air Max 97 Silver Bullet? Did you guys manage to cop a pair? Let me know down in the comments. I will catch you guys in the next video.